This does a perfect job. Right. This container, this container. I'm going to wash them out really good. Good morning, good morning. Okay. What I've did, I've cut the 5 gallon drum in two. In two. So now what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna transplant these beautiful fruit trees. If you notice, these fruit trees already start producing already. This is the name of the fruit. This is pear right here. So they already start producing, but the only thing is the container is ridiculous small. So what I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna be transplanting them into bigger container. These are soil I already get from my garden. So what I'm gonna do, the holes already bow in the container. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna take this one out of the container. Cauliflower. Don't wanna damage it. If you notice, you can see the roots. You can definitely see it was too small. I'm going to place it in the container and I'm going to add more soil. This, with this container, This could actually be in this for a few years. You know, I just want to grow them in container and not in ground because I just love these pear. They're so beautiful and tasty. No, these are some grass clippings that I'm also going to add in the container. Just going to sprinkle it. Then I'm going to add another bucket of soil. Okay. Now, this, let me see if I can bring it a little closer for you guys. Give me a second. All right. Now, let me show you. Okay. If you notice what's going on here now, guys, look what's going on here. I transplanted from this little baby pot, to this big container. So you see now, this can actually house this for a period of time. So as we notice, we have pears on top of it already. So this is a good way for the people who have small spaces and who don't want to plant in ground, who don't have the place to plant in ground. This is something good you can use because this is pretty strong and you get the food grade, the one with food grade. Hey Tori Brandon, how you doing? Yes. So this is, why are you asking me where am I? Come on. So right now, as you can see, this container will able to house this for a period of time. Okay, so I have a next one here, which I'm gonna be doing the same process. Same process. This is a Olympic giant Asian pear. Same thing. The container is ridiculous too small. Look at the roots them that pushing out. So this is definitely not gonna work for this. So what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be using this container and transplant the other one. So this is a good way, guys. This is a very cost-effective way because this container will last for years. This container will last for years. So just remember, sometimes you see these containers, you can get them, you can clean them out really well, and just do what you got to do to make sure that they clean. So if you're buying them, make sure you buy the